Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm embarking on a journey through time as we explore one of the most iconic historical landmarks in the Philippines, Fort San Pedro, also known as the El Fuerte de San Pedro in Cebu City. I'm V2 Faz, and you're watching V2 Faz Travels. Nestled amidst the bustling cityscape of Cebu lies a fortress that has withstood the test of time. Fort San Pedro is a living testament to the rich history of the Philippines. Built in 1565 by Spanish conquistadors under the command of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, Fort San Pedro is the oldest triangular bastion fort in the country. It served as a military defense structure during the Spanish colonial period, protecting the early settlers from pirate attacks and invasions. Let's talk about the architecture. Fort San Pedro boasts a unique triangular shape, with two sides facing the sea and the third side fronting the land. The walls, made of coral stones, are impressive in both height and thickness, a strategic design to withstand external threats. Now, let's step inside and explore the fort. As you enter through the imposing gate, you'll be transported back in time. The inner courtyard features lush gardens, a peaceful contrast to the fortress' formidable exterior.
This is the original wall.
Morning original.
Yeah.
Okay, quite
Tanawa ang sheet.
Quite ano.
Kita pa nimong coral.
Oh, mga coral to. Corals.
Gikan din sa dagat. Oh, yeah.
Fort San Pedro played a crucial role in various historical events. It served as a stronghold during the Philippine Revolution against the Spanish rule, and later as an American military barracks during the American colonial period. One of the most breathtaking aspects of visiting Fort San Pedro is the panoramic view it offers. From the vantage points of the walls, you can enjoy stunning vistas of Cebu City. Exploring Fort San Pedro is truly a journey through centuries of history, from its strategic architecture to its pivotal role in the Philippines' past. This fortress stands as a testament to the resilience and enduring spirit of the Filipino people. that's it for today's adventure. If you enjoyed this historical exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting journeys through time. Until next time, my name is B2 Paz, signing off from Port San Pedro in Cebu. Happy exploring! Happy travels!